Would you like a step-by-step guidance to happiness? Well, here you go. Welcome to Levitate Wellness, where we help you balance life and work through the practice of yoga. You have heard me tell the word Ashtanga Yoga and yoga philosophy for so long now, so let's jump into what are the 8 limbs of Ashtanga Yoga. The 8 limbs of Ashtanga Yoga are Yamas, Niyamas, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana, and Samadhi. The first limb of Ashtanga Yoga is Yamas. Yamas are the practice of refraining oneself from doing certain things. The 5 things that you're not supposed to do are Ahimsa, practicing non-violence, not harming one another by thought, word, or actions. Satya, always speaking the truth. Asteya, not stealing from others. Brahmacharya, the right use of energy. And finally, Aparigraha, not hoarding or being greedy. The second limb of Ashtanga Yoga is Niyamas. These are the practices or the observances that we should be doing. The 5 things that we should be doing is Shaucha, cleanliness, keeping our thought, body and deeds clean. Santosha, being content. Tapas, that is having self-discipline. Swadhyaya, introspection and self-realization. And finally, Ishvara Pranidhana, that is surrendering oneself to a supreme being or to a higher power. The third limb of Ashtanga Yoga is the most famous, which is yoga postures or asanas. Practicing yoga postures will help us with our flexibility and most importantly in having clarity of mind, keeping us vibrant and alert. The fourth limb of Ashtanga Yoga is Pranayama. Prana is the vital force of energy, and controlling this energy is done by controlling your breathing. Pranayama is the exercise of breathing. The fifth limb of Ashtanga Yoga is Pratyahara. Pratyahara means withdrawal of senses. Basically, allowing your mind to control your senses. The sixth limb of Ashtanga Yoga is Dharana. Dharana is the act of focusing on an object for an extended period of time. This is one of the most advanced steps of yoga. If all the 5 previous steps are diligently followed, it would be of great help to follow Dharana. Practicing Dharana would help us be more aware of our thoughts throughout the day. The 7th step of Ashtanga Yoga is Dhyana. This is the most important step of Ashtanga Yoga. Practicing Dhyana is not like the practices we have in our yoga classes. Practicing Dhyana in correspondence to the previous steps of Ashtanga Yoga would lead you to have a complete sense of mental calmness and bring you serenity. The 8th limb of Ashtanga Yoga is Samadhi. This is the final step of Ashtanga Yoga, and the meaning of Samadhi is bliss or enlightenment. This is the hardest step to explain in words. It is something an individual must experience on his own. When you have traveled through the 7 limbs of Ashtanga Yoga, when you have learned how to deal with yourself, when you have learned how to deal with others, when you have moved your body, exercised your breathing, know how to control your senses, when you have focused and practiced meditation, setting up yourself for the highest state of yoga. We will explain every single step of Ashtanga Yoga in our upcoming videos, so stay tuned for that, and that is only possible when you click on the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you get notified every time a new video is uploaded. Thank you for joining us today. See you until next time.